German Chancellor Angela Merkel has said that she would hold talks with Belarus's main opposition leader, days after French President Emanuel Macron met with her and pledged to help mediate talks between Lukashenko as well as the opposition figures. Merkel said that she will be meeting Svetlana Tikhanovskaya soon. Speaking to the German parliament, Merkel even hailed the women's protest movement in Belarus, calling it impressive.
Ich werde mich auch demnächst mit der Oppositionellen Frau Tikhanovskaya treffen, wenn man den Mut der Frauen sieht, der dort auf den Straßen gezeigt wird für ein freiheitliches, von Korruption freies Leben, dann kann ich nur sagen, ich bewundere das und ich finde das wirklich beeindruckend.
Merkel, who holds the rotating presidency of the European Union, said Germany did not recognize Lukashenko as the winner of the vote and that she condemned the government's violence against protesters. French President Emanuel Macron spoke with Tikhanovskaya this week on a visit to Lithuania in her most high-profile meeting so far since the Belarus election. The Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe, or the OSCE, has offered to help broker a negotiated end to the crisis in Belarus. Mass protests that have continued since the election have now been met with a bloody crackdown, and the opposition figure and Tikhanovskaya's husband, Sergei, is currently in prison, accused of trying to overthrow the government.